Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm doing a comparison between Airbrush and Colorify AI. So Airbrush is an AI powered photo editor and image generator that is designed for polished portraits, product visuals and professional branding, while Colorify AI is a specialized AI coloring page generator that transforms text prompts or photos into printable coloring sheets. Airbrush is practical and brand-oriented, whereas Colorify AI is playful, educational, and creativity-focused. Let's look at their features. Airbrush has AI photo editing and art generation, while Colorify AI gives you AI coloring page. When it comes to output type, Airbrush gives you polished portraits, product visuals, and AI-generated art, while Colorify AI gives you printable coloring sheets from text or photos. Now look at ease of use. Airbrush has one-click retouch, background removal, and AI avatars. While for Colorify AI, just upload a photo or type your prompt, and it will give you instant coloring page. Now look at creative control. Airbrush gives you retouch, reshape, outfit changes, and background edits. While Colorify AI gives you the opportunity to choose the style you want. It could be anime, minimalistic, graffiti, sci-fi. You decide the style of your coloring page. Now look at community features. Airbrush gives you utility focused and is geared towards creators and professionals, while Colorify AI is fun and is family-oriented sharing, like on Facebook groups and kids activities. When we look at their price and models, Airbrush has a free plan plus paid subscription for HD or bulk editing, while Colorify AI is 100% free. Lastly, who or what they are best for? Airbrush is best for influencers, e-commerce, professional headshots, and polished branding, while Colorify AI is best for parents, educators, kids, hobbyists, family, and creativity. Let's look at the limitations and trade-off. Airbrush is focused on editing and polish, so it is less suitable for educational or playful art, and the paid plans are required for HD or bulk processing. While Colorify AI is limited to coloring page generation, so it lacks broader editing or professional branding features. If you need professional quality edits for branding, social media, or e-commerce, Airbrush is a better choice. But if your goal is to create fun, printable coloring pages for kids or family activities, then Colorify AI is a tool to use. See you in the next one.